Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial of AstroPanel. Today we'll see how to make a multi-exposure night in HDR by AstroPanel. First, we go in Fusion. We click on Load Files and we select our pics. I've made 7 pics with 7 different exposures. I select tripod alignment. We turn on lens correction and chromatic aberration, and we select night HDR. So now the software is merging all the pics. There you go. At the end of the process, you have to see this kind of message. Now we click on raw camera filter, double click. These are the settings that the panels have set. We click on predefine to set this by ourselves, like exposure, lights, shadows, legs, whites. Okay. So this is manual setting, okay, texture. Now we move to HSL regulation and we're going to fix all the colors in the pics. Like you see this dominance of orange and yellow, and we downgrade them. See this kind of dominance of blue over here, and we downgrade. You see, we're even fixing the luminance of the peak and the tone, even the tone. Now we click on OK because as first operation it is good. We can see the difference here. Now we go on AstroPanel. In the Pro window, select Balance Pro. Okay. You see, we have fixed the white in the picture. And we create a group of levels. We create first regulation. Now on level 1, we select AstroPanel, and in the Astro windows, we're going to create a false flat. We click on 1, and we're seeing the dominance of color that we have. Now we're clicking on 50% to erase the yellow dominance. We merge level 1 and 2, okay. Now in the Pro window, we click on Remove Haze. We have removed all the haze in the peak, but we downgraded a little bit the opacity because it is too aggressive, okay? So after this we merge levels. Now, always on AstroPanel, we click on Tools, we click on Light Mask 1. Okay, we can see that the selection is too big, so we try 2 or 3, and I think 3 is good because we have to create a mask that fix all this zone, so I think like 2 is good. So with this, click on Curve, by pressing Alt we can see what is selected and what is not. So we go to Property, and we shade. Now double click on the curve. We can downgrade the halftones, fixing the lights that were burned. So I prefer to merge levels in this case because this is not a too much aggressive filter. Instead of first regulation that we see down here, where we can always return to some we can always fix some error that we have made, you know. We can go back with lights and everything we set it before. Now on AstroPanel, click on Astro. Now click on Extreme in the Enhance Sharpness. Now we're waiting for the software to finish the processing. Okay, and now we'll check for the difference. You see the difference here of the details in the pictures. We can also downgrade the opacity. And we merge levels. Now on AstroPanel we will work on singular color. In Tools, we click on C. With Alt we can see all the selection of the mask. Now we click on Tones and Saturation. By downgrading the saturation, we're only working on the color we have selected. You see? So I'm downgrading saturation and brightness. Okay. And we have to shade a little bit the mask, like 9 pixels. So we are going to use this mask only on the houses that we see in the background of the peak. So we have to fix the church in the front of the peak and you can see the difference. Now we merge all this level. And now we click on Tools, and in the Midtones mask, in the Pen on Light mask, we select this zone. And it says that it's dark masks free. These are all the shadows. Now we create a curve again. Okay, you can see. I'm trying to upgrade the middle tones. And once again, tones and saturation. And we can set our saturation, our brightness, our tones. This will work on all the picture. Once again, we're working on shadows. So this is the begin, and this is now, just to let you see some difference. Now we create a new group that we call color, and we create new level. So once again, Ctrl Alt Shift E to create the level. Now clicking on AstroPanel. Now let's click on Contrast Pro. Okay. You see the difference. The contrast is very strong, but we can downgrade the opacity like 40% for this kind of pictures. And we can merge levels. We'll call this group contrast. Once again, Ctrl Alt Shift E to create new level. Now we go on AstroPanel and click on Night in the glow effects. You see the difference. We have to downgrade the opacity also here. Let's merge these levels. And let's create a Pro Orton effects. Let's always work on the opacity after putting on an effect. We merge levels. Now we go on Color Correction Pro, click on Lab Pro. Okay, this is how the software has worked. You see the difference. Once again, work on the opacity because it's too strong. Now we merge levels. This should be the final peak. So naturally I went a little bit quick just to make the tutorial, but you have to be perfect and do the right thing with the right brushes, make the right setting, and you'll have a perfect picture. As you can see the difference between that and now. So guys, thank you for seeing this video. If you enjoyed, please click the like button, and if you would like to see more videos, please follow my channel and turn on notification. Thank you guys. Bye bye.